Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of robot vacuums with a look at a replacement battery that promises extended cleaning power. The 6800 mAh battery, designed for Samsung models using the DJ96-00193E, VCA, RBD71, and other compatible part numbers. If your trusty Samsung robot vacuum is starting to show its age with shorter run times, this might be just what you need. This hefty battery boasts a 6,800 mAh capacity, which translates to a whopping 146.88 watt-hours. That's a serious upgrade over the stock battery in many Samsung robot vacuums. The manufacturer, ASDQW, claims this provides significantly longer cleaning sessions before needing a recharge. We'll put that to the test shortly. Physically, the battery measures 128.70 by 79.20 by 50.10 millimeters and weighs in at 889.2 g. It's definitely a substantial battery, reflecting the increased capacity. It's important to double-check compatibility with your specific Samsung model, using the provided part numbers as your guide. The listing mentions compatibility with the VR1AM7040W9AA, VR1AM7040WGAA, and VR2AK9350WK, among others. One of the key selling points here is the multiple safety protections built into the battery. These include safeguard against overcharging, overdischarging, overheating, overcurrent, and short-circuiting. These are crucial features for any lithium-ion battery, especially one powering a device that operates autonomously in your home. It provides peace of mind knowing the battery is designed with safety in mind. Another advertised feature is the lack of memory effect. This means you don't have to worry about draining the battery completely before recharging, a concern with older battery technologies. You can top it off whenever convenient without impacting its long-term performance. Now, for the real-world test. I installed this battery in my Samsung VR1AM7040WG, which had been struggling with a noticeably diminished runtime. The installation was straightforward, a simple swap with the original battery. After a full charge, I let the robot loose on my home, a mix of hardwood floors and low-pile carpet. The results were impressive. The vacuum cleaned for significantly longer than it had with the old battery, easily exceeding its previous runtime by a considerable margin. I was able to clean my entire downstairs on a single charge, something that hadn't been possible for a while. Over the course of several cleaning cycles, the battery continued to perform well, consistently providing extended runtimes. This translates to less frequent charging and more uninterrupted cleaning. It's a noticeable improvement in the overall user experience. While the battery is a bit pricier than some other replacement options, the increased capacity and extended runtime justify the cost, in my opinion. It breathes new life into an aging robot vacuum, making it a worthwhile investment. Overall, I'm very impressed with this 6,800 mAh replacement battery. It delivers on its promise of extended cleaning power, and the built-in safety features provide peace of mind. If you're looking to revitalize your compatible Samsung robot vacuum, I highly recommend checking this battery out. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. Be sure to check the product description for the full list of compatible models. As always, links are down below. Thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.